welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this PMP adventure. So in today's video, we'll try to solve a real PMP examination question, and stay tuned until the end of the video to know all the tips and the tricks that you can use to solve these kind of questions pretty quickly. So let's get started. Alright, so the question is, a project manager is leading a software development project. During sprint review, stakeholders request significant changes that would impact the project timeline. The changes would improve product quality but delay the delivery by 2 weeks. So, what should the project manager do first? Option A, update the project schedule. Option B, analyze impact on project constraints. Option C, implement the requested changes. And option D is escalate to the project sponsor. Pause the video and try to solve this question on your own to come back and see if you have done it right, checking the correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer over here is to analyze the impact on project constraints. We have to remember here that the project manager has certain steps in terms of deciding what to do first as soon as the situation arises. So in that case, if the project manager rushes to the solution first, he would rather fail than succeed in the project. So it's always recommended to choose to understand and analyze what are the impacts in regards to implementing the suggested change, or how we can include this change in the next sprints. So that is a decision that the project manager is supposed to make. But since we are asked here, what is the first thing that the project manager should do over here? So in that case, analyzing the impact would be the most chosen correct answer. So we are supposed to remember a few things while solving these kind of questions. Number one is to look for the keywords which are like identifying whether we have been asked to do the first action in regards to a situation, or the best action, or the most appropriate solution that the project manager should choose. In the second thing, it's like considering the project management processes in regards to answering any question that you are solving. The third thing is to think about the constraints before taking any actions. So it's always recommended not to rush directly to the solution. Like in our question, we should not be something like choosing the option where it says you go implement the changes right away. So that is not the option that is supposed to be selected based on the PM principles. And the last thing is, don't jump to conclusions right away if you see a problem that is being arised in your project.